Ito kung paano ako nakakuha ng free Robux. Ayan, nabatay. Ayan guys. Starving Artist Donation Game. At tap mo lang siya. So, ayan, down description. Ay, putik. To create will become the next artist with the most valuable painting. No, toolbox can take up to a week to receive all content including any sponsored content was developed, published by the game. So, ma-receive ko daw yan ng 18 weeks. So, meron akong 1.8 million Robux. So, hindi na pa nakikita. I-reveal ko sa next video. Ayan guys. Yung titignan natin yung Robux ko. Donate ko. So, wait. So, eto na guys. So, tingnan nyo naman. May 2 Robux ako. May 2 Robux. Tap. 2 Robux. Let's go, bro. So, gusto nyo Robux. Dito lang kayo sa may Starving Artist. Wait. At i-enter niyo yung code art. Tingnan natin. Na-claim ko na yan. So, try natin. Invade. Paano ko nga? Kasi na-try ko na yun guys. So, nakakuha ko na yun guys. So, that's it and I'm out. What? Dito nagko